Hi, my name is Abby. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make daily vlogs and I compile them into weekly vlogs. TJ, my newborn, is behind me. He just fed. I make daily vlogs about basically everything, healthy living, and most importantly, environmentally friendly living, from cloth diapers to recycling to minimalism. Happy New Year. If that all sounds good, why don't you come on my journey? If you are familiar with my vlogs, I am not sponsored by Paul Newman's, but this is almost always our Monday meal because I've gotten really in the swing of like the exact timing of it. Granted, it is the first of the year, so it's a holiday, if that focuses. Focus. Sorry, you'll have to believe me, it's the first of the year. So fresh broccoli, fresh peppers and onions, frozen other vegetables that you'll see, like frozen medley vegetables, carrots. I can only eat cooked carrots. This is chicken, and the base is tortellini, and it's up to you on the Parmesan. Like I like Parmesan, and Rod, my husband, doesn't really care, so I might just put Parmesan on my own serving, and as much of this as you want because it's delicious. The olive oil and vinegar. I've never had his other ranges, but if they're anything like this, check them out. So simple meal. It is time consuming, but it's simple and the steps so easy. So that's why it kind of became our Monday meal. We have the IRobot for Christmas. And we had this IRobot that Rod had before I met him, and it's not exactly broken, but like something's wrong with it. So it just spins in a circle. But this one does its job and it cleans the floor. Okay, I'll show you the floors. And this is my current phone. Ta-da! Here's TJ. He had to change clothes because he went through his clothes. And there he is. Say hi, TJ. TJ, say hi. He said, "Woo!" That's what he said. This is his outfit right now. I'm hoping it stays dry. The diaper does its job. And I think we're gonna read some books, TJ. I think we're gonna read Where's Spot? And we're gonna read Shining Star. So that's what he's gonna do right now. Okay? We put the Moby Wrap on. I don't know if I wrapped it differently. I feel like I wrap it differently every time, even though I do the same thing. But this side seems really high. But he seems happy. So my phone's about to run out of battery, but I'll just show you. We've got some Trader Joe's taco shells. We have some shaved cheddar, some raw onions, some lettuce, some raw peppers, some Ortega seasoning, refried beans. That's the 10-minute rice. And this is the turkey with cooked peppers and onions. So we have cooked peppers and onions, raw peppers and onions, and there's more lettuce where that came from. Since I switched to using my old phone as a camera and my new phone as a phone, I don't remember to charge this phone. I call it my purple phone because it has a purple sparkly case. And I was like, oh, I have a great opportunity to film today. Like TJ was loving the Moby Wrap, and I was gonna have a little camera chat. But long story short, it's charged now. So I just laid TJ down for a nap because he fell asleep on me, and I had a Skype coaching. I do pageant coaching on Skype and in person, in home, in studio, wherever you want, in a vlog. No, not in a vlog. And we made it, well, I started it a bit early because TJ fell asleep, and then as soon as I started the pageant lesson, he woke up loudly and wanted to eat, and then he made it through about half the lesson, and he's just screaming, because he took a nap after feeding, which is ideal, but I didn't think it was like a deep sleep. And so yeah, you know, when he's past the newborn stage, that type of thing will get easier because, you know, they're less dependent. They get more and more independent, you know, not like after 3 months they're a grown man, but, you know, we'll see, and it's a good experiment. So we're going to continue the Skype lesson tomorrow, and it's really dark out, and I hope to get some fresh air soon. Update moments after that clip. Here is TJ, or Tyler J, whatever you want to call him. Oh, so I literally just filmed the last clip a second ago, and as I was filming and saying he's taking a nap, I could hear little whimpers, and I'm like, oh, sometimes he whimpers in his sleep. But no, he was wide awake. So I think he knows some words, or at least the sound of some words, because I said, Moby Wrap? Moby? And he knows that. I swear he knows, because I've said it so many times. And then I show him the Moby logo, and he starts doing the pick me up arms, pick me up. So I don't know, I think he knows both. I think he knows this symbol in the fabric, and I think he knows the term Moby or Moby Wrap. I'm not sure which one he responds to, or everything. But I just want to tell Moby Wrap that it's a good word for newborns, because he picked it up. I think he picks up some things, like I try to say eat eats. When I'm asking why he's crying, because I want him to go like that. I think he's listening to the video right now, which is really cute. Look how cute. Yeah. Okay, just wanted to comment that I said he was napping, and trying to keep it honest that he was not napping for 1 iota. He's talking to the camera. What do you want to say? He wants to root. People, keep in mind, I do feed him. I really do. Like, he just fed before the nap. But I'm telling you, he would eat all day, like I said in the other clip. If you let him, he'd eat 24 hours a day. Oh, ouch, that must have hurt. Tyler, or TJ, wants to say good morning to the camera. Say hi. He's wearing the mooses because it's snowing outside. We still have our tree. The decorations are off. And it's snowing. It's snowing. Can you see snow? Snow. Early morning. Oh. So this recording is the same day as the snow day, and we have some soup going by the Pacific Company. We have some rice cooked, and I made my organic coconut classic curry with chicken. Mmm, delicious. And the baby is showing us his face. He just ate, he said. Mmm, yummy. So it's Friday night, and I made meat sauce. I'm using some Nature's Promise as a base, and that's beef and onions and tortellini and broccoli and some salad. Yum. Another look at the tree. Another look at the snow. Look how deep it is by the shed. Yeah, it's really cold today. But I turned on the camera to show you what I got at Ulta Beauty. See, Ulta. I had this all delivered. I had a gift card from Christmas as a gift, and only one thing I have to say, I haven't tried any of the products. But what I do want to say is that I called the company today because I didn't get my free gift of a fragrance sample, and not that I really care. I mean, I don't even know what sample it is, but I do want it since my order qualified for it, so we'll see if that gets taken care of. So this is a gift set. And so what you get on top is all these eyeshadows, 2 different dual eyeliners. This palette is highlighters, blush, and bronzers. That's what you have on your top row. And you get a mirror. And you get, I got this rose gold color. I also ordered a phone case that I'm waiting on that should be exactly the same color as this. So let's see what's in the pull-out drawer. Wow, so it tells you what they are. Glitter top coat, cream eyeshadow, gel eyeliner, brow definer. Those are all brow definers. These are all gel liners, cream shadows, and glitter top coats. So that's really cool. In the pull-out drawer. This pull-out drawer is, and a little brush. Let's see, some concealer, primers, concealers, and primers. Cool. This drawer, I haven't really looked at this drawer. Well, it looks like lip glosses, a brush, brow tint, and I think that's mascara. Let me see. What is that? Well, I can't see without taking it out. So we will find out. This I bought just because, I mean, look how many colors you get. It's by Ulta, 15-piece deluxe lip gloss kits. I think I'm going to have to try a different color each day. Some colors, like, I don't know if I can wear like such a dark brown or a purple, but maybe just to try it. Let's see, what does the back say? On the back has the ingredients. And then, so that I bought with my own money, but what I bought with the gift card was Stila. You don't want to know how long I was using my Stila eyeshadow palette. I mean, it was probably full of bacteria. So I bought a new Stila palette. It won't really focus because it's metallic. There. The matte and metal eyeshadow. Let's see if one hand I can get it out. I should have left it out. I do have the baby. Obviously, if I'm using both hands, the baby's in the wrap at the moment, but it's in this really fancy gold palette. And hopefully in the videos, I'll be using this makeup. Very excited to try it. We're going to end this week's vlog by saying, hey, if you like what you see, please hit the like button. And if you're not already, please subscribe. I make daily vlogs daily. And I'll see you tomorrow. Get him, TJ, get him. Get him. Get him, boy. You get that star. You go.